What? Here you go again, smiling. I'll let you start it.
We got the boys from Garagistic here. Say hello.
Hello.
We got Matt and Tito.
Matt and Tito.
We're here on a Sunday. We should be with our families, but we're here on a Sunday getting the rest of this tight. We're gonna try to do as much as possible today, try to grind out as much as we can. You see we have the full list of what we gotta do. Brakes, brake booster, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah, we're here. You can see right now he's plumbing the plumbing.
The remote brake booster.
Remote brake booster. And that bracket is made by Matt himself.
Yep, Garagistic.
With the Wilwood pedal system.
Makes it where there's 3 master cylinders underneath the dash, one for the front brake, one for the rear brake, one for the clutch. Really good for motor swaps like this, big V8s that like your brake booster isn't gonna fit. So
Yeah, once it's all done, it's worth it.
Great.
Yeah, it's worth it.
It's just the installation, it's a process.
Yeah.
You know?
So yeah, it's gonna go right underneath the dash, get it all plumbed up. You can see we already put the plate where it's gonna come out of, and then Tito's working on putting the calipers on, kind of putting on the brakes. From what Matt said, Tito's the man. He knows how to do everything, so he's here to make dreams come true. All right, so yeah, we'll get cooking.
What do we got going here?
We got Chef Boy D. Pulled up to Rap Legends. I see they got that.
What was your
crazy
name?
Chef Boy D. Come check me out, man. I got everything from what you can think of. Tacos, burgers, fries, and a lot more.
What about some of that hibachi?
That hibachi.
That's my favorite.
I got that hibachi too, man. You gotta pull up, man. I'm right here cooking it down for the boys. Y'all check out Rap Legends and they car build, man. Pull up.
What's your best dish, you think?
I think my best dish is all of them.
All of them?
All of my dishes
man.
are good.
That's a good answer.
All my dishes are good.
All the lines are plumbed, right?
Yeah, so we're starting the heating process for all the brakes, clutch,
Okay.
and then after that, all the fluids for the brakes and hydraulic should be good.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna bleed all the brakes through the new reservoir. Oh, you could tell there's front, rear, clutch. I can make some out of vinyl. I know a guy.
You know a guy.
And then at the same time, we got Matthew over here with this crazy looking arm and setup.
Yeah. Faro scanner.
Oh man.
We're gonna make you a hydro mount right now once we figure out where we're gonna put it.
Yeah, so basically the plan is to make the base for the shifter, right?
Yeah, and integrate it with the factory holes while mounting the hydro as well. I mean, it would have been ideal if the hydro went the other way, so it's tucked underneath the dash, but I mean, we can make it work. We'll just make it, it'll be something like, we got to figure it out with the driver placement. We figured out, we'll get the scanning out of the way, get the geometry, and then we can kind of figure this out. So it's coming together.
Wow, that's crazy. Whoa.
Right?
That is nuts.
No guessing.
We just finished up doing all the brakes, calipers, all the lines and everything. It came out really good. Really happy and pleased with how they came out. We installed the 2 rear calipers on the Garagistic subframe, They added another spot for that extra caliper to go for our hydro. That all turned out really, really good. We ended up just using the, I believe we ended up using the E30 calipers for the rear, but then we upgraded to some big boys for the front. We went to, got some E36 rotors, E36 M3 rotors, I'm sorry. We also got E36 M3 calipers as well.
The back is Z3M.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was. Okay, my apologies. It's not an E30 calipers and rotors. It's Z3M calipers and rotors. That's that. Everything turned out really good. We had our buddies from Garagistic. They really came through and helped us out. Plumbing everything, bleeding all the brakes, everything like that. Thank you again to Matt and his team at Garagistic. You guys are the freaking best. With that being said, thank you all for watching the build series so far. Make sure you like and subscribe. Always make sure to see what we got coming up next, and we'll see you in the next one.